Question 24. If PQ and P subtract Q are all positive integers, which of the following is least? So this is one of the questions where we've got to work out the relative greatness of each of these using inequalities, using what we know about these numbers here. Surprisingly, you can see that you've actually got this being the answer. Let's show you why that is the case. So we know that PQ and P subtract Q are all positive integers. So if P subtract Q is a positive integer, then P must be greater than Q. So let's write down those possible solutions. Q squared, P squared. We know that Q is a positive number. We know that P is a positive number. So this has to be less than 1 because Q is less than P. So therefore Q squared, P squared. So this is going to be less than 1. B. P squared over Q squared. Well, this P is larger, Q is smaller, therefore this has to be greater than 1. Therefore, if we're looking for the following as the least, then B is greater than A, so it won't be B. Go to C next. QP. Q is less than P, so therefore this is going to be greater than 1 as well. Q is less than P, sorry, other way around. This is going to be less than 1. So we're not sure which way yet. D, the square root of Q and P. Q is less than P. This is going to be less than 1, and the square rooting it is still going to be less than 1. And then E, if we've got the square root of the other way around the reciprocal, then this is going to be greater than 1. Because if the fraction is greater than 1, then the square root of that fraction is still going to be greater than 1. So therefore we know it's not B or E. So the step 1 is to find out which ones are less than 1. Then we think about their relative size. So I'm just going to rewrite this just here. Just so I've got a bit of space at the bottom. Sorry, C. The square root of QP is going to be greater than, because this is less than 1, the square root of it is going to be greater than just QP. And again, because this is less than 1, we're going to find that QP all squared is going to be less than this, which means that this is Q squared, P squared, therefore Q squared, P squared is least. And that's A. We had to go through the whole of that to discover that that one was indeed the least.